Councillor Ntshangase, the Honourable Deputy Mayor, Councillor T.G. Madela, the Honourable Chief Whip of the Council, Councillor M.S. Ntshangase, Honourable members of EXCO, my colleagues, councillors present here, Honourable Ulabezitha, Makhosi yaseNdlunkulu, induna ezingxenye yalomhlangano, other honourable members of National Parliament and KZN Legislature, the Chief Magistrate in his absentia, members of the royal family present here, honourable councillors, HODs present here, representatives of the media, community members, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Batwahlelo somlomo wethu ngokhethekileyo ngifisa ukuba ngibongele abavoti basoLundi namaphethelo ngempumelelo yevoti lethu sonke lapho ngokulandisa kwemthetho elawula ohulumeni basekhaya namhlanje usuku olungqophamlando lapho khona abavoti bephinde banika iqembu lenkatho yenkululeko elinye ithuba lokulawula indaba zabo nokuqhubeka nomsebenzi wethu wokwethula idingongqangi emawadini awu-24 asoNdini. Somlomo wethu abavoti basoLundi bamukele ngo-8 banika wonke amawadi awu-24 iqembu lenkatho yenkululeko ukuze liphinde lihole eminye iminyaka emihlanu. Ngakho-ke ngedlulisa ukuthokoza okukhulu nokuzithoba kwethu njengamakhansela eqembu lenkatho yenkululeko. An overwhelming vote in favor of one political party does not come cheaply. We crisscrossed the municipal area of Ulundi and beyond, not making promises for the future we cannot deliver. In emulation of the IFE's National 10-Point Manifesto, we reminded the people of Ulundi about inter alia that since the last elections in 2016, we have continued to electrify households in the Amakosi areas. We continued to provide electrification to all households when there is no load shedding. We spoke to them about community halls we have built since 2016. We realized the crashes that we built mainly in the Amakosi areas to encourage early childhood development with the rent-for-rent assistance of friends of His Excellency the IFE founder and the President Emeritus from Divine Life Society. We have fed the hungry in droves assisted by His Excellency's friends from the gift of the givers. We have used the little budget to build the infrastructure and to repair the potholes, street lights, as we continue to do so. We reminded them that they continuously observe our staff repairing road, drainage pipes, cleaning the roads, saving motorists from stray animals. We reminded them that since 2016, we have trained and produced about 200 traffic officers. We assisted some 100 young people to obtain national diplomas in finance and local government. We funded through grant-in-aid interventions to the poor. We have awarded bursaries to local scholars and paid registration fees at tertiary institutions and provided computer equipment to some needy local schools. We partnered with the Department of Human Settlements, of which we appreciate the honor of retention of Ulundi to this day as the implementing agent to the Honorable MEC for Human Settlements. We have built national award-winning housing projects. We ask the community, Honorable Speaker, to trust us to continue with our cooperative support program in words to promote local economic development. We reminded them that we use every cent we receive from government to leverage betterment for the poor, including poverty alleviation through casual work, recruitments of about 200 youngsters annually. We buried the poor that we budget for annually. We reminded the community, especially the youth, regarding our stable library facilities, including satellite libraries in nodal points, some of which are funded. This is just to name a few programs that the electorate resonated with. Bathe ngevoti labo bahlonishwa, siyayazi imisebenzi kamasipala okoba iqembu lenkatha, ngoba inkatha isemphakathini yethu. Kusho abavoti basoNdini bahlonishwa. Sabanikela abavoti ngokuthi wonke lo msebenzi engiwubale ngenhla kanye neminye eminingi esiyenzile eminyakeni emihlanu kusukela ngo-2016 siyenze ngokukhulu ukucophelela. Yingakho sizuze iy'ndondo neminyezane elandelayo. Hence we received the following accolades as the Municipality of Ulundi. Unqualified audit outcomes by the Auditor General since 2007 to 2008, owing to clean governance and clean administration. A first prize in the Best Run Municipality Award, and our manager became the best municipal manager in 2016-2017. Beating even Ntshangase Municipality, beating uMhlathuze and others. Osomabhizinisi bethu, abefundisi bethu, iy'nduna zamakhosi, kanye naye wonke umuntu onentshisekelo yokusiza umphakathi ohlwempu. And when the electorate restores the IFP in Ulundi Municipality to shine the light on its master stroke, to even work well with the opposition, and give the IFP more than 70% votes in an election where it is very pros and ability to deliver services was put to test. It illustrates a reward for hard work. Yet we are not confused about the fact that the electorate who voted IFP merely embraced the Prince of Ntshangase's brand. I just want to repeat this one. Yet we are not confused about the fact that the electorate who voted IFP merely embraced the Prince of Ntshangase's brand. They trusted Mtwana due to his track record in service delivery that requires no introduction. I therefore, in earnest, would like to express our gratitude to the individuals and organizations who supported us to be given this honor once again.